here we have this 74-ounce cat water fountain. You have the little see-through glass right here to see how much water is left. We are just setting this up so I can show you everything, how it works and how it goes. Right here is where you're going to open up and you're going to put the filter right in there, just like that. Close it up, snap it shut. This is where the water fountain goes. I actually detached this. This was already hooked on, but if it comes undone or you need it to come undone, you can easily disassemble it. It's gonna sit like this. This will be the pump mechanism. Here's a little LED light right here on the bottom of it. It's gonna sit just right over here like this. This will go right on here. And you just push that in if you want that on. But we're gonna fill up the water. I have some water here. I'm gonna fill this up and start it up. This LED, or this window right here, is seal proof, so the water won't leak out or anything, and it does show you the max fill line, and then down there is the minimum down there, the lowest setting of water that is needed. Okay, put that on like that. We're gonna just plug this in. And there you have it. Look at that, instantly you see the light shining through there, and it just filters or flows right back in through that slit that is right there. So the water will pour out. You will have fresh water all day long for your kitty. It's really actually cute. So there you have it. It's very, very quiet. Like when it says it whispers, I mean, it barely whispers. I can barely hear this. I was a little bit worried about the amount of noise that this might make or create, but it is very quiet. And honestly, the little noise that you can hear is more like something that could maybe help you sleep if you have it like by you in your room or something. Other than that, it is very quiet. I paused for a second so you could try to hear how quiet, but honestly, I don't even think you can hear it. So here's a side view of it. It looks really cute and I like it a lot. Thanks for the company for sending me this to review.